We are Chris and Priscilla, and we call ourselves Girovagari, basically meaning two that wander or roam without knowing the final destination, and to move freely back and forth. And we have been travelling and living in our van for the past year, seeing some beautiful places as we travelled around, making memories and enjoying all the moments in life. Sharing our little story with you on YouTube, from the beginning of the whole world to plotting our travel plans. But sometimes, all good things must come to an end. The saying is, where one door closes, another one opens. We have had an amazing time travelling around the UK in our tiny home, and we have met some amazing, awesome people along the way. But for now, we're on to our next chapter in life. We have made the decision to sell our van and move into something a little different, although still with the same concept of travelling. We're very excited for our new chapter, and we hope that you stay with us and see what our plans entail.
Alright, peoples, we've just had ourselves an extremely stressful week.
What a day, never mind.
Right now we are driving back from. Ooh, you're gonna give me a fine.
No, I mean the speed limit.
Drive slowly, guys. It's bank holiday. We're just coming back from the Heathrow Airport because we have dropped Barley off, and it's a bittersweet moment. But he's okay. He has been checked through and everything, and he's on his way to his final destination, which we will get into a little bit later on. But now we are on to another stressful situation for us because it was not planned at all. Okay?
No, we went to this thing last weekend just to enjoy a time in the van.
Put our van on show, had a good time, met some new people.
Yeah, and just, I don't know, something happened that's a bit, I'm still trying to get used to the idea. Priscilla's fully committed into it. I'm like, I'm still thinking we should just turn around. I'm supposed to be on a fly with Barley now. That's a whole nother rigmarole. Whole story went down the hill there.
Oh well.
Priscilla didn't get a visa. We had these pet passports sorted out. We're gonna go all fly together. Like today was the day, and then yeah.
So much has happened. So like I say, it's a stressful week that we have had. We are now off to drop our lovely van that we spent all our time in and we built all by ourselves. Oh, I'm reminiscing now. But we are off to drop it with a very lovely lady that we met a week ago. She is buying our van.
She popped us a message and she's like, look, I'm absolutely in love with your van and I want it. I want to enjoy it. I know you're going to be parking it off. Would you consider selling it to us? And it breaks my heart a little bit, but yeah, we're doing it. We figured, you know what? If it was no one, it seems like the right person to look after our van.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Like we weren't even selling our van, and then we were just like all of a sudden selling our van.
You know, all these things happen for a reason. I keep trying to tell him. Obviously, for some reason, we are meant to be doing this, so we just gotta go with the flow. Hey?
Super stressful.
Just let go. I mean, we don't want to. This is our home. Look at it. Oh, and it's so sparkly and clean and lovely. All of our baggage is like ready to go. But it's time to say bon voyage.
Yeah, the van's going to a new home. But don't worry, we will be back in another van very soon.
Yes.
But until then,
We got other plans. What happened?
Huh?
What happened?
I just bought a van.
You just bought our van?
It's so beautiful.
I got like goosebumps there.
I know, I also have seriously, I have goosebumps.
I'm almost like I don't really want to go.
You have the keys.
I saw your message and I said to Priscilla, I was like, read this. We're like, whoa.
It's real.
We gotta
like,
think
this
about
really
it.
wants a van. We're like, I don't really want to sell it.
Changed my mind.
I mean, it was so random because we weren't even at the van. We were like somewhere else, remember?
I manifested it.
Priscilla
was-
said it's a sign.
It really was. It was so weird because we'd looked around all the vans and every single one I came out and I said the reason I went was to find a layout that felt right, that I wanted, because there's always something wrong with every van I've seen, and I see them online, I'm like, it's good, but I'd change that and I'd need to rebuild half of it. And then I got in your van and I just got this feeling. I remember we were saying squatters' rights. I was like, I'm not leaving.
She sat down and she's like,
No, you were like
it's
at home.
fine.
I'm comfy.
It was weird because I knew
Crazy.
there was no talk of you selling it. It wasn't for sale, but I just felt like it was for me.
Just like that, our van was sold, and we end one chapter and move on to the next. Paradise, we're coming for you.